Do you use Bluetooth at your events? Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for checking out my weekly podcast. It's been going a while, and those of you who keep checking it out, I tell you, I am so grateful. Thank you. So Bluetooth, do you use them at your events? I know people do, or at least people say they do. And I know you can, at least they say you can. I know I can, because I say I can. But here's the problem that I see with Bluetooth. Number one, Bluetooth is old technology. Something new is coming. That's going to be stronger. That's going to be more stable. That'll be able to get you farther away from what you need to be away from. And Bluetooth, Bluetooth headphones oftentimes cut out. When there's nothing going on that has any stake to it except for listening to your podcast or listening to me on these little videos, then that's not a big deal. But when the stakes are high, in other words, well, stakes could be just as high as, hey, I'm getting paid. And if the Bluetooth doesn't work, I'm not getting paid. There's stakes that involve you. And you may be willing to take that chance, the chance of not getting paid because your thing didn't work and now you just have to give money back. But when you're doing an event for somebody else, you oftentimes do not know the stakes that they have put on this event. Whether it be a corporate event, a birthday party, a wedding, a high school dance, there are stakes. If this goes poorly, this will be bad. This won't work out. The stakes are high. And if you really understood the stakes that were involved with the people that you work for, you would never try to use something like Bluetooth as a first choice. I can see using it if all else fails, but I can't be more than 8 feet away from the thing I'm broadcasting the Bluetooth to. I literally have to be on top of it. And even then, I've heard it break out. And the quality of sound that goes through the Bluetooth signal, it's not that great. So, I mean, if I have to, that's a backup that will probably work. But what works for sure is cable. I don't even use a wireless signal. I know that there's some wireless signals that people use. Sennheiser, a lot of guys use Sennheiser. This, using the receiver to send it back to the rig, and you can put it through walls and all that stuff. I think that's pretty cool. I really do. I don't trust it. I do when it's only me. When the only person that's going to get hurt is me. If I use it, then yeah, I suppose I probably would trust it. But again, people hire us because the stakes for their events are high. They want to be assured that the one thing that they spent sometimes more money than anything on goes well. And what happens if your audio goes out? It doesn't go well. Things can get in the way of trying to create the outcome that the couple or the client or the corporate person, whoever, that gets in the way. You depend on your gear. You depend on the sound. And you can't depend on Bluetooth. Now, I know many of you have, and you've never had a problem. And I think that's great. I really do. It is not whether or not the Bluetooth will fail. It's when it will. So if you're willing to take that chance, have at it. But I'm not yet. I like Bluetooth. I use it for a lot of things. I used it for my phone and my headphones, my earbuds. But I can't bring myself to use it at an event when I have cable, when I've got XLR cords. I send the strongest signal to the great speakers and I get great sound. And I don't have to worry about it. But if I worry that Bluetooth ain't gonna work. It's gonna hurt me, my performance, my worry will creep into what I'm doing, and all of a sudden I'm subpar. That's not what I can do. That's about me. Is it about you? Are the stakes high enough? Think about it. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.